Study the figure shown on the screen and use it to answer the given questions. Label points B, C, D, E, and G. Join line labeled B, C. Let the length of the square be L. Then, its area, the square of L equals to 256 square centimeters. Hence, L equals to 16 centimeters. Line labeled B, C equals line labeled G, D equals to 16 centimeters. From triangle BC, length B, E equals to length CE. Let length BE be equals to X. Using cosine rule, substituting values obtained, we have equation shown on the screen. Solving for X, we have that the equation of square X is shown. Find the square root of the equation and solve for X. X equals to 9.88854382 centimeters. Line labeled B, E equals to line labeled C. E equals to 9.88854382 centimeters. Label H and K. Join line labeled H, E and line labeled K, E such that length H E equals to length K, E equals to length B, C equals to, such that line labeled H, Q is equation for the area C of the inscribed regular pentagon is shown. But area of triangle labeled H, B, E equals the product of 0.5, the square of line labeled B, E and sine angle of 108 degrees. An area of triangle labeled HEK equals to the product of 0.5, length H, K and length EQ. Thus, area of the pentagon, C equals to result you see on the screen for simplicity and by substituting values of line labeled B, E, H, K and EQ, and we have that the area of the pentagon, C equals to the product of 0.5. Therefore, the area, C of the regular pentagon equals 168.23 square centimeters to 2 decimal places.